OBSbot has released another high quality 4K webcam on the budget. This is the OBSbot Meet 2. Craziest part about this webcam to me is that it's tiny. It is literally this big. For it to come out with the quality that you get, it's pretty surprising. Now, in the end, this is probably the worst of the OBSbot webcams in terms of it's still looking like a webcam or just something a little bit on the lower quality side compared to the Tiny 2 Lite, the Tiny 2, and the Tail Air, but those are all more expensive than this thing. This thing comes in at about $129 and it still ends up looking sharp. I've tuned it a bit and adjusted it, and you can see darks are really dark. The letters pop on this. You can see the depth of the color in my room here. And overall, the webcam, I think, does really good for what you get. A big thing with OBSbot in the past, though, has been that their cameras have AI tracking and they will move and follow you where you go. Well, this camera uses its 4K functionality to do that a little bit more through software, through the OBSbot software. And then it ends up being similar to the NVIDIA broadcast functionality that follows you, where it just punches into the frame. So we'll use the 4K width and the 4K size and give you a 1080p, I guess, frame. And then it uses that ability to follow you within that, because 4K is this big and 1080p is this big. So it has that space to follow you around. I haven't enabled it or played with that part of the functionality of it, but they kept that alive for the OBSbot way of doing things. It does also have a built-in microphone. This is how it sounds. Webcam mics are generally not great, so yeah. What do you guys think? $120 for this tiny little webcam, or do you think you should save to $179 for the Tiny 2 Lite? I'll drop a link in the description below, or you can just go to the channel and you can see the review for that webcam as well. I need to ask you something. Are you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Because if you're not, hit that subscribe button, and also follow over on Twitch. Links are right over here. All right, I'm out of here. I don't like it over there. Just for comparison's sake, everything auto, this is how the camera looks. Some might think it looks better, but auto white balance can, other colors behind you and stuff can really throw off the good look on it. But you know, it's a tad soft, adding a little extra sharpness might be nice, and setting the white balance. What a massive difference this camera has over the built-in one on this computer. It's absolutely insane. Like, plug and play, again, full automatic. This is just how it was. Connecting it to it, it looks great. Honestly, I think what OBSbot is doing in the webcam industry is pretty awesome. This webcam has a 1/2-inch sensor in it, which is crazy for a webcam in its price class and a webcam in its form factor, being so small and all. On top of that, there are competitors for this webcam, like the Elgato face cams, the cheaper ones, that don't even have autofocus. This thing has pretty solid autofocus. Did you see how fast that was? And then it grabs me. So like, autofocus being that good and that fast in a webcam in this price class, again, impressive. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Let's talk about it.